Environmental groups say New York consumers could save millions if state lawmakers approve a bill that changes how packaging is made and recycled. WAER's Matthew Davison reports advocates are pushing legislation that shifts the cost of waste from taxpayers to the companies that make it.
If you've ever lugged home groceries wrapped in layers of plastic, you've seen the problem firsthand. Supporters of a packaging reduction bill say the companies that create all that waste should be the ones to clean it up. It's called Extended Producer Responsibility. Mitch Ratcliffe of environmental group Earth 911 says it's time to put that principle into law.
We need to have regulation to structure that extended producer responsibility infrastructure we need to build. And that means some way of saying, you made this, you owe this much money, and you have these benefits, including the fact that you're going to be able to tell your consumers that you're participating in cleaning up the mess you make.
The bill, called the Packaging Reduction and Recycling Infrastructure Act, aims to cut plastic packaging by 30% within 12 years and would ban certain toxic chemicals used in packaging. The Senate passed the measure the past 2 years. The bill has yet to make it to the Assembly floor for a vote. Ratcliffe says the goal should be to build a circular economy where materials get reused instead of getting thrown away.
We need to get to an environment in which we see everything not as waste, but as potential materials for the next generation of products. To think in terms of a circle instead of a line.
The national group Beyond Plastics reports the proposed law could save New Yorkers more than $1 billion in waste costs over the next decade. But many in the business community oppose it, warning fees and restrictions could raise prices. They're backing a competing measure, the Affordable Waste Reduction Act, which avoids outright bans on materials. Lawmakers can't take up either proposal until the next legislative session begins in January of 2026. Matthew Davison, WAER News.
Mitch Radcliffe spoke to us on our Deeper Shade of Green podcast. You can hear more at WAER.org.